always is a great pleasure. One great friend of mine, the ambassador, Modern Kobler. As I said, he's living in Pakistan soon, but I think he's a great person. We always see great things with him. I have so much memories with him. So I was going to ask him, what is the best memory you have in Pakistan?
I think the best memory, there are two best memories. One is the people of Pakistan and the other one is the landscape of Pakistan.
How?
You see, with the people I was always received very well. It's an incredible hospitality all over the place, wherever you are, and this is because of the people of Pakistan. But you also have incomparable landscapes, which are very good for tourism, and I hope this potential will develop.
Yeah, I always. That's why my all friends came from different countries. We travel a lot and show Pakistan, different cities and beautiful landscapes and mountains, a lot of things. But I really learned a lot from you. Especially if you think I learned from him. If you want to help someone, so you will give them a platform. There they will explore their potentials, show their skills. And similar happened to me. He heard about me and came to me, and then they invited me on German National Day. I delivered a speech there. It was a great honor for me. Then I worked for, just make a work for that. This is one of the best things I always remember. So I'm very grateful for you. I hope we always in touch and we will meet soon, inshallah.
No, thank you very much. For me it was an honor to know you, to know a person, you see, who has special needs and who is a motivational speaker.
Thank you.
And you developed a lot during the last year we have been knowing.
Yeah, I always.
And I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
giving
Thank
me
you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.